Simplify using formula 3 by 2m plus 2 by 3n into bracket 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. Answer, here we use a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. Therefore here a value is 3 by 2m and b value is 2 by 3n. Therefore this equal to a square minus b square. A is 3 by 2m whole square minus b square. B is 2 by 3n whole square. Therefore 3 square is 9, 2 square 4, 2 to the 4, m square minus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, n square is answer.